Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at ZenMate, available at zenmate.com. ZenMate is a VPN service, which means it provides a virtual private network. This essentially creates a secure tunnel for your internet connection, masking your IP address and encrypting your data. This added layer of security offers numerous benefits, from protecting your privacy on public Wi-Fi networks to bypassing geo-restrictions and accessing content that might be blocked in your region. One of the key selling points of a VPN like ZenMate is the ability to browse anonymously. This means websites and online trackers have a harder time monitoring your activity and collecting your data. This is increasingly important in today's digital landscape where privacy concerns are paramount. ZenMate boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy for even those unfamiliar with VPNs to get started. Simply download the app, install it, and connect to a server in your preferred location. They offer servers in a multitude of countries, allowing you to virtually relocate your IP address and access content from around the globe. Beyond simply masking your IP address, ZenMate utilizes strong encryption protocols to safeguard your data from prying eyes. This is crucial for protecting sensitive information like online banking details and passwords. Furthermore, a VPN can also enhance your online gaming experience by reducing lag and protecting you from DDoS attacks. ZenMate's extensive server network allows you to connect to servers optimized for gaming, offering a smoother and more secure online gaming experience. While ZenMate provides a free version, it's worth exploring their premium plans for added features and benefits. The premium plans often offer faster speeds, unlimited bandwidth, and access to a wider range of servers. Choosing the right VPN can be a daunting task, with so many options available on the market. However, ZenMate offers a compelling combination of security, ease of use, and affordability, making it a worthwhile option for those seeking online privacy and security. Whether you're a casual internet user or a seasoned online pro, ZenMate can offer a valuable layer of protection in today's increasingly complex digital world. Be sure to check out their website at zenmate.com for more information and to choose the plan that best suits your needs.